Lyco Manufacturing's externally fed screen is ideal for further processing plants and beef or pork harvest plants that have a lot of fat, oils, and greases. Our externally fed screen fits this application better than internally fed or stationary side hill screens. Lyco's quality and ruggedness in making screens are like no other manufacturer. Our entire design is built with precision, with heavy-duty construction for both the main frame and the main drum. Product and water are pumped through the head box. Water goes through the screen and out the back drain, while the solids cascade over the screen as the drum turns. The doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen while turning. All of Lyco's externally fed screens are built with wedge wire, which is more efficient and less apt to plug than a perforated plate. Openings in our externally fed screens can vary between 0.03 inches to 0.06 inches. Lyco screens also come standard with clean-out ports for ease of cleaning and inspection. For more information, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.